What's up, guys? We wanted to give you a little update. Haven't posted a video in a little bit. It's been pretty hectic. Been doing some rides, doing some updates to some stuff. We have been getting some footage. Just haven't been able to sit down at the computer and edit and make some videos. But we did go on a ride. You saw a little sneak peek video I posted on YouTube. That was a blast. Yeah. Kind of a last minute decision to do that, and it rained a ton. But anyways, I hope to get that video up, the full video, pretty soon. And we actually went right back this past Monday, and we went and ripped the park again. We had the whole park to ourselves, being on a Monday, and it was fun. Didn't have the whole crew there, but we had a few of us guys. We rode. Got some drone footage finally. Can't wait to see how that turned out. Hope you guys enjoy it. What else? Before last Monday, actually that was our Saturday ride. We were all knew that we were last minute. Hey, we're gonna need some waders. We're gonna get super muddy at Burdens Creek ATV Park, and so we were all Amazon shopping, just trying to find something cheap. Some of us went to different places, bought some cheap waders. You know, thought that was all we would need, and
not everybody was Amazon shopping.
Yeah, Brandon was waiting till the last minute, and he went to Walmart, couldn't find none. Went a couple places like that day, or
yeah, that day we went to, or no, the night before we went to like 3 different Walmarts. We called like every hunting store, the pawn shop in town. Nobody had anything. Walmart had some rubber boots, but that wasn't gonna help me.
Wasn't gonna help, as you see in the videos. But get to the park, and well, they carry Gator Waders, and yeah, I've seen them before. I've looked down. They look awesome, but good Lord, you know, I didn't think don't need to pay that much, but I learned the hard way. You get what you pay for. And man, right when we get out there, we're ripping the trails and the mud, and we get in the creek, and I mean, I'm just like up to my waist, and all of a sudden I start getting soaked. They start just pouring into the waders, and then I ride the rest of the day soaking wet because I bought some cheap waders. Well, then I was like, man, I wish I would have been like Brandon and waded and bought some Gator Waders. But anyhow, he bought some, and then after I saw how they were and how they fit, and they held up, I said, well, I'm going to have to get me some too. But anyways, they actually, Gator Waders sent us something. We have not checked it out, but we're going to open it up. Heck, I'll grab the camera. Let's see what Gator Waders sent us. Man, we appreciate that a lot. Yeah, up there, top right corner. Top right over here. Couple knives right there. Yeah, right here. They're camouflage, that's why you didn't see them. Grab that. A little bit over the top, but anyhow. Yeah, just don't cut yourself. Gator Waders. Yeah, man, once I saw them waders, man, they were, and you bought the insulated ones, right?
Yeah, they're like it was freezing cold Monday, and I felt like I was still laying in the bed.
Yeah, they look good, they're built well, they fit good, they have a big variety of sizes, I mean, for everybody. We'll put the link to their website in our description, but we don't know what we have here. What the heck? Oh wow,
it's a banner?
That is a banner, dude. Definitely a Gator Wader banner. We're definitely gonna have to rep for these guys.
Feels like high quality too. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's sweet. That is awesome. Definitely, you know where that's got to go? That's got to go right up there. Yeah, that'll be shown in all our videos. That is sweet, guys. Very nice. We definitely appreciate that.
That's cool. Let's see what
Yeah, very well built, man. That's nice. That is not no cheap banner. Man, all their stuff is high quality. Dang, got some shirts.
there's some shirts. Got 3 of them, and they feel like really.
It looks like some dry fit type material, like some Under Armour stuff.
It was really nice.
Yeah, those are sweet, man. Heck yeah, extra large, man. They'll fit me. Sweet. What else they got in that big box?
That looks like it's it.
Oh man. Wait, I hear something. Might be just.
Let's get out of there.
Oh, I hear something. Oh, I'll be darned. What is that? Now that is sweet.
Hats.
Gator Wader hats. Alright, they're awesome. Richardson
Same
hats.
brand as our hats.
Yeah,
That's awesome.
same brand, Richardson's. Are those the 115s or the
They look like the
one?
the kind that we don't have.
Yeah, yeah, that's right. We got the 112s. Those must be the 115s. Anyways, yeah, y'all haven't seen these yet, I don't think. We got a few different hats. Show them your heather gray there. Yeah,
Got a little mud on it.
yeah. Man, Gator Waders. Man, we appreciate it, guys, a ton. They're definitely an awesome company, and we thank y'all a lot. Wow. Didn't expect that.
Yeah.
But
I didn't know the banner was gonna be in there.
yeah, that's cool. Awesome surprise, man. Well, let me set this back up here. But I cannot wait to get mine. Mine are on the way. Your wife also ordered some, didn't she?
Yeah, she ordered some of the new what are they called? Swamp Series 2.0s. She saw mine and pretty sure she just got jealous and wanted some too. And she was cold the last time we rode, so.
Hey, the Swamp Series 2.0s, those just dropped, by the way. I don't know if you've been keeping up with them, but
I think
Swamp Series 2.0 just dropped Friday, maybe?
I think it was last Friday or last Thursday.
Sometime last week, and they're breathable ones that you can wear pretty much year round. You can buy them a little bit loose fitting, man, insulate up underneath them, and then wear them bad boys when it gets 70, 80 degrees. I imagine you can wear them all the time. I can't wait to see how they turn out. But we will make a video with those. Can't wait to see them. They look awesome. You'll look awesome wearing them. You'll definitely stay dry, unlike I was. Man, I had to wear those same waders last Monday. Freaking filled up the whole left side, and it was in the low 40s or upper 30s. I don't know. It was freezing.
It's cold.
Yeah, so that was not fun. So definitely, I didn't think waders was something you need to spend a lot of money on, but it's definitely worth it. If you're going to do some cold riding in the mud, you know, it's worth every penny. And great quality stuff. You can't find nothing that's going to beat them Gator Waders. And they're an awesome company. Man, we appreciate it, guys. Thank y'all.
Yeah, we appreciate it.
Big time. Y'all rock. Anyway.
I actually think I want to wear them shirts and hats right now. What do you say?
I think so too, dude. Oh yeah, looks good. I like it. Let's go eat, man. Let's go. Oh man, that's got to go on there.